How do parafollicular cells affect calcitonin levels? Imagine tiny cells in your thyroid that act like sensors for calcium in your blood. These are called parafollicular cells or C cells. Their main job is to produce a hormone called calcitonin. When your blood calcium levels go up, these cells spring into action. They detect the increase through special calcium-sensing receptors on their surface. Once they sense high calcium, they releases calcitonin into your bloodstream. Calcitonin then works to bring calcium levels back down. It does this in two main ways. First, it tells the cells that break down bone, called osteoclasts, to slow down. These cells normally releases calcium into your blood when they dissolve bone tissue. By inhibiting osteoclast activity, calcitonin reduces calcium releases from bones. Second, calcitonin acts on your kidneys, making them reabsorb less calcium. This means more calcium is excreted in your urine, helping to lower blood calcium levels. The amount of calcitonin released depends on how high your calcium levels are. The higher the calcium, the more calcitonin your C cells produce. Sometimes, other factors like gastrin or pentagastrin can also stimulate calcitonin secretion, but calcium is the main trigger. While calcitonin plays a role in calcium regulation, its importance in humans is considered less critical than in some other animals. Many people with abnormal calcitonin levels do not experience significant health issues, suggesting that other mechanisms mainly control calcium balance in humans. In medical practice, measuring calcitonin levels can be very useful. For example, in diagnosing medullary thyroid carcinoma, a type of thyroid cancer that originates from parafollicular cells, calcitonin levels are often very high. Blood tests for calcitonin help doctors detect and monitor this cancer. They can also be used to evaluate calcium metabolism issues or monitor thyroid health. In summary, parafollicular C cells influence calcitonin levels by sensing blood calcium and releasing the hormone accordingly. This hormone then helps keep calcium levels stable by reducing bone breakdown and increasing calcium excretion through the kidneys. Understanding this process is important for diagnosing certain thyroid conditions and calcium disorders. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and testing if you have concerns about your thyroid or calcium levels.